Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your system and keyboard type so you avoid compatibility surprises. First, check your OS version and run updates. Outdated software blocks drivers. Next, identify whether the keyboard is USB, Bluetooth, or built into a laptop, because connection steps differ. Once done, export layout and custom shortcut settings and copy any existing driver files to a safe folder. This saves time if you need to revert. Now you're ready to connect or prepare the replacement hardware. You'll now connect and configure the keyboard. Plug in USB or enable Bluetooth pairing, put the keyboard in discovery mode, and enter the pairing code if prompted. After the physical link, install the vendor driver or let the OS detect and apply a driver. Drivers unlock special keys and macros. Then set the layout and language, remap keys if needed, and run a typing test to confirm every key registers. If firmware updates are available, apply them now to ensure stability and feature support. You finish by saving profiles and syncing any cloud settings, then reboot to make changes permanent. Test special keys, macro functions, backlighting, and battery status on wireless units. This confirms full functionality. If something fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Repair or reconnect, uninstall and reinstall the driver using Device Manager or System Preferences, and swap USB ports or batteries to isolate hardware faults. If the problem persists, consult the vendor firmware tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.